Hello friends, welcome to JH Official Voice Education. Today's topic is crucial for anyone dealing with cryptocurrency transfers. Will you use the OKX website, mobile app, or a third-party wallet like MetaMask for the transfer? In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of these options, help you decide the best platform for your needs, and guide you through the transfer process securely. So, let's dive in. Segment 1, Understanding the OKX ecosystem. First, let's talk about OKX and its built-in features for transferring cryptocurrency. 1. OKX website. Ideal for desktop users who prefer a full-featured experience. Advantages. Larger screen for detailed analysis. Advanced tools for trading and fund management. Secure environment with multi-layered security protocols. Limitations. Less convenient for quick transfers on the go. 2. OKX mobile app. Perfect for users who need flexibility and mobility. Advantages. User-friendly interface. Instant access to transfers, trading, and portfolio updates. Push notifications for transaction updates. Limitations. Smaller screen may not be ideal for complex tasks. Both the website and app provide seamless integration for crypto transfers within the OKX ecosystem, offering full control over your funds. Segment 2, Why use a third-party wallet like MetaMask? Now let's discuss MetaMask, one of the most popular third-party wallets. MetaMask supports Ethereum and other blockchain networks, making it an excellent choice for decentralized transfers. 1. Advantages of MetaMask. Multi-network support, works with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and more. DFE integration, access decentralized applications, DApps, directly from the wallet. Browser extension and mobile app, offers flexibility for different devices. 2. Limitations of MetaMask. Learning curve, may require technical knowledge for beginners. No built-in exchange, unlike OKX, MetaMask focuses purely on wallet functions, so you'll need to use other platforms for trading. MetaMask is an excellent option if you are looking for a wallet that interacts with decentralized platforms or if you frequently use blockchain applications. Segment 3, How to choose the best option for you. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific needs. 1. For beginners. Use the OKX mobile app for its simplicity and convenience. It's easy to transfer funds with a few clicks. 2. For advanced users. The OKX website is ideal for those who need access to in-depth tools and analytics for their transactions. 3. For DFE enthusiasts. MetaMask is your best choice if you are working with decentralized applications or cross-network transfers. 4. Transaction type. If you are transferring between wallets within OKX, stick to their website or app. For external wallets or platforms, MetaMask offers added flexibility and control. Segment 4, Steps for a secure transfer. Regardless of your platform choice, follow these steps for a secure transfer. 1. Verify your wallet address. Double-check the recipient address to avoid errors. 2. Select the right network. Ensure that the network on the sending and receiving platforms matches, example TRC20, ERC20. 3. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Add an extra layer of security to your account. 4. Check the fees. Review transaction fees for each platform to choose the most cost-effective option. 5. Test with a small amount. Before transferring large amounts, always send a small test transfer to ensure accuracy. Conclusion. So, friends, whether you choose the OKX website, mobile app, or a third-party wallet like MetaMask depends on your preferences and requirements. Each platform has its unique features, and understanding them is key to making secure and efficient transfers. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to JH Official Voice Education for more in-depth guides on cryptocurrency and finance. Have questions? Drop them in the comments, and we'll address them in our next video. Thanks for watching.